बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम जनरल नॉलेज के लेक्चर नंबर 7 के अंदर अंटार्कटिका को देखने जा रहे हैं। ये कॉन्टिनेंट का लास्ट लेक्चर है। पहला सवाल है, अंटार्कटिका इज़ द 5th लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट। नेक्स्ट, अंटार्कटिका इज़ द साउथर्न मोस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट ऑन अर्थ। नेक्स्ट है, अंटार्कटिका इज़ द लीस्ट पॉपुलेटेड कॉन्टिनेंट। नेक्स्ट है, अंटार्कटिका इज़ एन ice covered continent surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Next, Antarctica is the highest elevation of all countries. Next, the highest mountain in Antarctica is Mount Vinson. Next, Antarctica is a windiest place. Next, Antarctica contains more than 90% of the world's ice. Next, Antarctica contains more than 90% of our plants' fresh water. Next, British explorer James Cook and his crew crossed the Antarctica Circle for the first time in 1773. Next, Norwegian explorer Ronald Amundsen was the first to reach the South Pole in 1911. Next, 7 countries as territories in Antarctica: France, UK, New Zealand, Norway, Australia, Chile, and Argentina. Next, the Antarctica Treaty was signed by 12 countries on December 1st, 1959. Next, Antarctica is not only the coldest place on Earth, but also the highest, driest, windiest, and emptiest. Next is 75% of the world ice and 70% of Earth's fresh water is located in Antarctica. Next, it is also called the white continent or the frozen continent. Next, before 1840, Antarctica was called Terra Australis Incognita, which means the unknown southern land. Next, Antarctica sees half a year of light and half a year of complete darkness. Summer month of December to February give 24 hours of light, while the winter month of the late March to late September are pitch dark the whole day. Next, summer temperature is the frozen continent are around 35 -35 degrees Celsius in the interior and 2 degrees Celsius at the coast. In the winters, it is -70 degrees Celsius in the interior and 2 degrees Celsius at the coast. Next, Antarctica saw the coldest natural temperature ever recorded on Earth was -89 degrees Celsius. Next, because of this sort of extreme temperature fluctuation, Antarctica is larger in winter by around 12.2 million square kilometers than in summer due to ice formation around the periphery. Next, nothing can rot in the icy water of Antarctica. Next, there are no time zones on this continent. Next, the largest land animal in Antarctica is a 1.3 centimeter long insect known as Belgica antarctica. Next, the only permanent settlement in Antarctica are the research base where scientists from different countries came to do their work. आज का आखिरी सवाल है, penguin are home in Antarctica and Adelie penguin are the most common kind found here. आज के लिए इतना, बाकी नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह ताला देखेंगे कि कौन सा लेक्चर आपके सामने लेके आते हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।